Sometimes when I feel annoyed, I say basta. Hi everyone, the word of the day is basta. Basta. This word means enough. This is also an interjection, and it helps you to express annoyance. If you had enough of something, you can say basta. Enough. Basta works with feminine and masculine nouns, and it doesn't have a plural form. So you only have to learn to say basta. Now, let's see a few examples. Basta. Guarden silencio. Basta. Guarden silencio. Basta de bromas. Dime qué pasó. Basta de bromas. Dime qué pasó. Basta de hablar. Es momento de actuar. Basta de hablar. Es momento de actuar. Some people also use the expression ya basta. Ya basta. This is similar to saying enough already. Ya basta. Enough already. For example, ya basta. No mientas. Ya basta. No mientas. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, leave me more examples down below using basta or ya basta. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Also, support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!